Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, you're saying extremely unbelievable to your eyes. Extremely unbelievable to your eyes. It's a quote collected from Indian Ocean. You can see clear image of Lord Ganesh. Very clear. You see, you can see two eyes, trunk, and hands. Clear image of Lord Ganesh. And Lord Ganesh praying Shiva Lingam. Lord Shiva is father here. And you can see beautiful Shiva Lingam. And you can see top snake on the Shiva Lingam. Wonderful image. But Lord Ganesh is extremely unbelievable. You can see clear eyes, clear trunk of Lord Ganesh. Totally unbelievable conch from Indian Ocean. It is a beautiful collection grade conch from Indian Ocean. You can see a very clear image of Lord Ganesh. Even I'll zoom it in, so in close up also you can see very clear. See how clear it is. Extremely clear image of Lord Ganesh. How clear Lord Ganesh is. And here you can see clear Shivalingam and snake on the top of this Shivalingam. Extremely unbelievable. See how clear Lord Ganesh. Lord Ganesh praying Shivalingam and Nagadev snake on the Shivalingam. It is like Lord Ganesh doing pujas, prayers to the Shivalingam. Extremely unbelievable. Totally eyes are not believing this image. It is like that wonderful, extremely wonderful. See, it is a natural image from Indian Ocean. It is showing the Lord Ganesh to us. Extreme blessings of Lord Shiva. Extreme blessing of Lord Ganesh. Extreme blessing of Lord Ganesh. What a wonderful image. It's wonderful image. Clear image of Lord Ganesh by Shivalingam. Totally unbelievable. See how clear Lord Ganesh. Totally unbelievable collection. And it's from Indian Ocean. Beautiful coins. Clear Lord Ganesh. You will get extreme blessings of Lord Ganesh. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.